Hey, it's Big Shane from 105.1 The Blaze, and I'm at Lucy's Lounge in the Tower District drinking. But the good part about this is I'm going to teach you how to get some drinks on yourself. You're going to make this at home. This is called a King Bee, and it is made with Snoop Dogg's. I know that we're not big Snoop Dogg fans at The Blaze, but please. This has got 24 karat gold on it. Snoop Dogg's gin, and Sara Primavera is going to teach us exactly how to make it. It tastes delicious.
Hi everybody, welcome back. We're here with The Blaze again and Lucy's Lounge, mixing up some cocktails for you. This is a cocktail that's coming up on our newest menu. It was a cocktail competition for Indigo Gin, which is Snoop Dogg's new gin. So we are gonna make a King Bee. So we are gonna start with 1 fresh egg white. I don't like to use the pre-packaged egg whites. I like to use just a fresh egg. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice actually helps cook the egg. For those of you that are a little worried about putting an egg in your cocktail, we've been doing it for hundreds of years. It'll be just fine. 2 ounces of the Indigo Gin. This gin is strawberry infused and it has a very delicious flavor. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. And then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Chirot, which is an aloe liqueur, and it has a very strong flavor. So you wanna make sure just to only use 1/4 ounce or it will overpower the flavor of the gin. So just a little bit. And then we have some wild green strawberry bitters. So we're gonna put a couple drops in. And for our last ingredient, this makes this drink a little flashy because Snoop Dogg is very flashy. It's 24 karat gold powder. And we're just gonna put a little bit in there. And we're gonna mix this up. I'll be right back. Now with the egg white in there, you wanna get a really solid dry shake. So you wanna dry shake it with no ice in it for about 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add ice and give it a really good shake. Now the base of this cocktail is a gin fizz, strawberry gin fizz, and it's quite lovely. So we're gonna pour that into our glass. It's gonna have a nice, wonderful foam on it. Really cool thing about this, so we're gonna add some skeleton leaves to the top for our garnish. And then we are gonna dust the cocktail with 24 karat gold. And this is our King Bee cocktail with the Indigo Gin. We hope you enjoy it. It is a shimmering gold cocktail. I know you can't tell from the way the light is, but the cocktail is actually gold and it's quite lovely and we hope you enjoy it.